The best solution for achieving a wheel flush fitment depends on various factors, including the specific vehicle and desired aesthetic. We can get a wheel flush done by installing Jeep wheel spacers on your regular aftermarket wheels, custom fender flares, or suspension adjustments. The most cost-effective and the most common method is to install Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Jeep wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The life of the vehicle will be fuller, keeping the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using the Wrangler wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with the Wrangler wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Jeep wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 73 SGS and heavy test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 25mm to 50mm. BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are awful. The manufacturing process or forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default in endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. In addition, BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, the best solution for wheel flush fitment is to install high-quality Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.